Hello learners, I am Parikshit Saikia and welcome to another very exciting session on Maharashtra CET 2021 most important concepts and questions, QA and reasoning. Remember, the CET is one last chance to get admission into a B school this particular year. We have colleges like the JBIMS which accept scores via the Maharashtra CET, and hence it is important that you prepare well for this very important examination. But as always, the first thing I'm going to tell you before we start today's session, where we are going to discuss some very important reasoning caselets, is give me 5 seconds to ensure that I'm streaming live before we get started with today's session. Okay, I think we are streaming live and we are good to start. Okay, let's get started. Yes, that's about me. I'm Parikshit, your CAT mentor for the journey. Happenings on Unacademy. So in Unacademy, on your screen are Unacademy learners who have cracked the CAT with flying colors. Happy to announce that we have 100 percentiler in LRDI this year in CAT 2020. And also a lot of 99.8, 99.9 overall percentilers. You definitely can be one amongst the next. For iconic CAT 2021 subscription or for all the batches which are starting on Unacademy these next few days, including my batch, a score booster batch which starts from today, and I'm going to take LRDI in that. You can enroll with Unacademy. Remember to use the code Parikshit Live. You will get 10% discount on the subscription fee. Also, a lot of courses can be accessed on Unacademy using my code Parikshit Live if you register as a first time user. When I say first time user, I mean with a mobile number which has not been registered on Unacademy before. And yes, there is a price hike soon. So last few days to get subscribed to Unacademy at the current rates and with even a 10% discount. Also do register for the weekly scholarship test. It's absolutely free on Unacademy. And yes, a super awesome feature on Unacademy was launched a few days back. Ask a doubt. Anytime you have a doubt, just take a photo of your doubt along with the question, right? Photo of the doubt question along with the answer options. Send it across using your Unacademy app, and expert on Unacademy is going to get back to you with the solution within a few hours. Okay, let's get started with today's caselets. First one on your screen. P, Q, R, S and T are 5 cars. It is further known, so take some time, read the caselet. Remember, whenever you get a caselet in CET, right, it will gonna have 5 questions. So it is very important that you are able to solve it and get the answers, because then you get 5 marks. P, Q, R, S and T are 5 cars. It is known that T is faster and more powerful than R. Okay. So I think there are several attributes here. The first attribute is who is fast. Next attribute is regarding the power. Correct? And then which is costlier than T. So the third attribute is regarding the cost. Right? So let's put them in order. So I will say fastest to the slowest. So these are the 3 attributes. More powerful to the less powerful, and more costly to the less costly. Okay, let's check this. P is costlier than R. If P is costlier than R, can I say P greater than R? Correct? And faster than Q. So P is also faster than Q. So can I put this? P greater than. So I need to write this in the speed side, right? P is faster than Q. So let's put this here. Next, which. Now always remember, I see students often getting confused. The word who, which always refers to the word or the alphabet just before it. So because which is preceded by Q means it refers to Q. Q is more powerful than T. So now we are talking about the power. Q greater than T. S is the slowest and the cheapest of all cars. Slowest and the cheapest. So I think I can easily put it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. S is the slowest. Got to be the last one. And the cheapest. So if it is the cheapest, again in the column of cost, S is gonna be the last one. Correct? Okay. But is the most powerful. S is most powerful. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. S will come here. Correct? Next, R is more powerful. So when it comes to power, R is more powerful and faster than P. So R is greater than P when it comes to power, and R is even faster than P. So R will be greater than P. But P is the third costliest. But P is the third costliest. If P is the third costliest, where are you going to put P? Where are you going to put P? You are going to put P out here. Do you follow this? Do you follow this? Yes? Okay. So let's consider all the tray to combine the statements, correct? So let's consider the first case. R greater than P greater than Q. So let's read it once again. I think if there is more data so that we can fill this. T is faster and more powerful than R. T is faster and more powerful than R. Okay, I think we missed the statement, right? So T is faster. So T greater than R, and T is more powerful than R. So T is also more powerful than R. If you combine this, this will be in this order. Correct? That was the first statement which you did not take, right? T is faster and more powerful than R, and R is costlier than T. R is costlier than T. Perfect. R greater than T. Correct? And now you are done. Now you are done. You can answer the questions. Let's check this. TRPQ, this is the order, right? There are only 4 blanks and 4 unknowns, and I know the order for the 4. So can I put them here? TRPQ. Correct? Next, there are 4 blanks and there are 4 unknowns. Can I put them in the blanks? In the sequence, QTRP. Perfect. And the next one, P greater than R greater than T. P greater than R greater than T. Let's check this again. And it is further known that T is faster and more powerful than R, and R is costlier than T. R is costlier than T. Right? R is costlier than T. So this part is perfectly fine. Right? P is costlier than R and faster than Q. P is costlier than R and faster than Q, which is more powerful than T. S is the slowest and the cheapest of all the cars. So where will R go? Where will R go? R will go out here. R will go out here. R will go out here, right? Any doubt in this? Perfect. Perfect. Yes? So I think you can easily answer. Which of the following? So, but in this case, T is not fitting. T is not fitting. Okay, we'll check this. Which of the following cars is the fastest? Obviously, T is the fastest. Option D. Next, which of the following cars has as many cars more powerful than it as the number of cars less powerful than it? So we are talking about the power, and we are talking about the power. We need the car which has as many cars more powerful than it than as many cars which are less powerful than it. Can I say we are talking about the middle car? About the middle car. Why? Because the middle car will have equal number of cars more powerful and equal number of cars less powerful. So which is the middle car? Middle car is T, which is option D. Next, which of the following cars has 2 cars faster than it and as many cars slower than it? So 2 cars faster and 2 cars slower, meaning again we are referring to the middle car. Then the middle car, right? So this is option C. Which of the following cars can be the costliest? Can be the costliest. Can. So remember, R, S and T cannot be the costliest. R, S and T cannot be the costliest for the simple reason R and S, the positions are already known. And remember, P and R are greater than T. P and R are greater than T. So the only possibility is Q can come here. Q can come in the first position. Here it is Q. Remember, they are using the English word can. They are using the English word can. So they are just asking you for a possibility. For a possibility. Answer is Q. Answer is Q. Got it? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Got it? Perfect. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. Okay. Let's check this. A poem has 7 lines, each of which starts with the letter P to V. The line starting with R is the third from the bottom. Okay. So basically, we are talking about 7 lines. Okay. Another caselet. We are talking about 7 lines. So let's mark this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct? Okay. Let's check the possibilities. Let's check the possibilities. So I am drawing this way so that it becomes easy to fill. And then I'm drawing 2 possibilities. I'm drawing 2 lines so that if there are 2 possibilities, we can mark them accordingly. Okay. A poem has 7 lines, each of which starts with the letter P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. The line starting with R is the third from the bottom. Third from the bottom is R. So can I say R must be at number 5? Yes. Next. And the line starting with V is the second from the top. V is second from the top. Next, the line starting with Q and that starting with U have exactly 3 lines in between. Q and U have exactly 3 lines in between. So can I say if Q goes here at number 7, 3 lines in between, meaning U will go here. Will you agree? Or vice versa. If Q comes here, U will come here. U will come here. Is there any other possibility? Is there any other possibility? Think about it. Let's try it. Let's try it. Remember, R is here, V is here. So this is already fixed. Q and U, 3 places in between. So if Q goes at number 6, U has to go at number 2. U has to go at number 2. But you know what? This is not possible. Why? Because at number 2, V is already occupying a position. So it cannot be 6 and 2. It cannot be 6 and 2. Can U go at number 4? Q go at number 4? This is also not possible because in that case, you cannot have 3 blanks. If someone is at number 4 and you need to have 3 blanks in between, then U has to be at floor 0 or floor 8. But we have nothing called floor 0 or floor 8. Hence, number 5 is also not possible. Number 4 is also not possible. Can it be at 3? 3 is something we have already taken care of. Can it be at 1? It cannot be at 1 also because if something is at 1 and you need 3 blanks in between, meaning the other one has to be at 5. Other one has to be at 5. But 5R is already occupying. So no other possibility is there. The only possibility is at 3, you will either have a U or a Q. And at number 7, you will either have a Q or a U. Correct? Next. Either S or P is the only letter between R and U. S and P. Now I don't know where will U come, right? So depending on whether there are 2 scenarios. So let's talk about the first scenario. Let's say U is at number 3. If U is at number 3, Q will be at number 7. Or the other possibility is U is number 7, Q is number 3. These are the 2 scenarios, right? Now let's talk about it. What do they say? S or P is the only letter between R and U. So in first scenario, S will come between R and U. S or P or P. Alright? Similarly, between R and U, who will come? Either S or P or P. Do you follow? Do you follow? And now the question is asking, the poem is likely to start with. Likely to start with. Basically, they are asking you number 1. Sentence number 1, which is the line that is going to start with. Now think about it. Anything that has not come till now, the alphabet, that alphabet can go in 1. So which can that be alphabet? Obviously, one alphabet can be T. One alphabet can be T. Correct? Who else can go here? Who else can go at number 1? Number 1, think about it. Look at position 4. Position 4. You know what? You are saying either S or P will come there. Either S or P. It means whoever doesn't come at 4. Whoever doesn't come at 4. As an example, let's say S is coming at 4. In that case, P can go at 1. P can go at 1, right? Or vice versa. If P is coming at 4, you know what? S can go at 1. S can go at 1. So definitely, one of them can also go. So it can either be T or S or P. P or S or P. Why S? Because if at number 4 P occupies, S will go at number 1. Or in number 4 if S occupies, P will go at 1. So answer is P or S or P, which is option C. Which is option C. Got that? Got that? Any doubt in this? Perfect. Let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. These are very important questions and they help you to revise for your CET. Okay, let's take another one. There are 5 boxes of different colors: orange, white, blue, green and red. Each one of them is of a different weight and different cost and are numbered from 1 to 5, from the heaviest to the lightest and the costliest to the cheapest, in that order. So basically you have got 2 attributes. One is the weight, and the other one is the cost. Right? How are you numbering from 1 to 5? 1 to 5, they are saying from heaviest to lightest. So from heaviest to lightest is 1 to 5. Is 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And costliest to the cheapest. So expensive to cheap. In that order, you are going to put them in the ranks of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Let's check this. The blue box is the 4th in the order of weights. So blue box is 4th. Remember, we are counting from the left. So in terms of weight, blue is number 4. And costlier than the red box. So when it comes to the cost, blue is costlier than red. B greater than R. Whereas green box is the lightest of all. If it is the lightest of all, it will come at the very end. G. Right? Next, the orange box is the cheapest of all the boxes. Cheapest when it comes to the cost. So orange will be at number 1. Next, the red box is lighter than the white box. Red is lighter, meaning white is more heavy compared to the red box. And the red box is heavier than the orange box. You know what? Red is heavier than the orange box. Correct? Which of this is the heaviest of all the boxes? Now think about it. You have got 3 blanks. And there are only 3 unknowns which I have filled. This is the order that they are going to follow. Do they have a choice? They don't have a choice. Why? Because I only have 3 blank spaces. So immediately put them in the same sequence. W, R and orange. W, R and orange. Correct? So your answer is, which is the heaviest of all the boxes? White box. Which is the heaviest of all the boxes? The white box. Got it? That's the answer. Okay. So I think starting from today, I'll also give you a new assignment. I'll also give you an assignment every class. The answer to this will be discussed in the next class. Based on what you have learned today, right? You might as well as try this. And remember, this is really easy. This is the CET level. I'm just reading this out. PQR are 3 girls and ABC are 3 boys. Q is taller than R but shorter than C, who is taller than A. P is taller than B, who is taller than C. So basically just 2 sentences. Just try to map them and then mark the answers. This is the level of your CET. So please try, and once you try it, you can put your answer as a comment to this video, YouTube video. And I'm going to see how many of you are getting it correct. Okay. I think that's it for today. Thank you so much. Please go to Unacademy to access more classes. You can access a lot of classes absolutely free on Unacademy if you register as a first-time user. When I say first-time user, I mean with a mobile number which has not been registered on Unacademy before. And in that case, you can use my code Parikshit Live to get access to a lot of classes absolutely free. And to subscribe to any of the classes on Unacademy Plus, use the same code Parikshit Live. You will get 10% off on the subscription fee. I think that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the class. If you've liked it, do please hit the like button. And I'm going to see you tomorrow, same time at 10:30 a.m. Till then, stay safe and goodbye. Bye for now.